Okay, we've got a set, well, about 170 yards up here according to the GPS. And we're along a tarred road, but it's not a busy one. And this set is just a little exposed to the public eye, but it's not bad. Never been ripped off. I've set this trail before. Yeah, there we got something there. Over there. Can you get that? All right, that's okay. Well, from here it looks like a big one. We'll see. Oh yeah, it's a nice raccoon. Real nice. And you can see I got him coming through the fence. And in fact, on this trail, there's even a little bit of coon hair on there. And that's pretty indicative of a barbed wire fence on that bottom strand. A lot of times you can see what's coming through. So this is another good catch right across the neck. And you notice here, the landmark that I've talked about, that's this tree here. That's what's guiding them to this spot. And this trail will be here every year if there's corn on the other side of the road. And they're coming from somewhere, I don't know where, but they basically have a network of trails. And they do change every other year because the crops get rotated. Some of them are there every year. And it seems like they bend exactly the same way and they veer off the same way every year. It's really something. Yeah, that's a real decent coon.
The perfect hunting and fishing companion, your Wiebe knife, designed by sportsmen for sportsmen. Maintain precision control and a solid grip even after the knife gets bloody and messy. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your Wiebe knife today with up to 24 replacement blades free and guaranteed $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at WiebeKnives.com.